Welcome to the first lecture in the subject Material Testing and Evaluation. Okay, so the subject code is PCC CE207. Okay, so the subject is of 3 credit, which will have 1 lecture, 1 tutorial and 2 practicals in 1 week. Then PCC means it's a professional course, professional competence course for civil engineering. The code is 207. So before starting the subject, okay, material testing and evaluation, you must understand that what this course is all about, why you need to study this course, okay, and what you will be able to do after completing this particular course. Okay, so let's understand this. So I will say in the ancient time, okay, when engineering was limited to only army or to defense, it was not open for common people. Okay, the engineering was limited to only military, but later on it was realized that it could be used for common people also, and then the civil engineering was born. So the engineering which was for the civil, for the common people, it was called civil engineering, and other engineering was military engineering. Okay, then later on many engineerings evolved over the time: mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, then computer science. Okay, a lot of engineering. So this particular course is for civil engineers. Okay, so once you understand that you are a civil engineer, okay, so you must understand what is your role. Okay, so what is the role of civil engineering? Civil engineering is expected to serve for common people, to make life better for common people. Okay, आम आदमी की जिंदगी को बेहतर बनाना ही सिविल इंजीनियर्स का बेसिक फंडामेंटल ऑब्जेक्टिव है. ओके, सो what a civil engineer or what a civil engineer do? They create a number of convenience to the common people. किस तरह की कन्वीनियंस? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिल्डिंग टू लिव, डैम्स टू स्टोर वाटर, देन वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट फॉर क्लीन वाटर, हाईवेज टू ट्रैवल, ओके, रेलवेज टू ट्रैवल. So there are number of works that a civil engineer performs. Okay, so all these works has to be done. So if you observe that all these type of works requires a structure. Okay, a particular structure is required to build these kind of conveniences. For example, if you have to build a road, okay, so if you have to build a road, you will require to build a road. Okay, if you want a train to travel, you are required to build a railway track. Okay, or you want to store water for a river, then you will be required to create a dam, a structure. So all these requires a structure. Okay, and all these structures requires some materials. Okay, some material is required to build these structures. So once you understand this, that you require material to build various structures. Okay, so once these material has to be identified, that which material is required now. Okay, why you require a particular type of material? So you require a lot of information, a lot of concepts, okay, for the material. You must understand what a material is. Okay, so if you see this as an example, if you try to pick some of the old buildings, okay, I will say buildings. Let's say Taj Mahal. Okay, let's say Kailasa Temple. Let's say Hawa Mahal. Okay, all these structures which are actually very important structure of the country. All these structures are mainly made of rocks. Okay, major constituent is rock. Now rock, to make this structure from rock, you will require a lot of rock. Then you will require that rock to transport to the site. Okay, then a lot of labor is required to fix all that rock, to place that rock. Okay, so what I want to say that these kind of structures requires a huge investment, a huge investment. So common people will not be able to do that much of investment. So what you have to do, you are required to reduce the cost. At the same time, you are required to add all the convenience to those kind of structures. Okay, so that is why we engineer all those material. हमें मटेरियल के साथ खेलना आना चाहिए. ठीक है, कि कब मटेरियल कैसा बिहेव करेगा ये हमारी मर्जी होनी चाहिए. वी शुड डिजाइन द मटेरियल इन दैट वे. ओके, दैट इज द बेसिक आइडिया why you want to study this particular subject, material testing and evaluation. Okay, so once you check your syllabus, initially they talk about the objectives of this course. What are the basic objective of this particular course? Okay, so some of the points I have shown here. Okay, so what are the main goals of this course? First is make measurement of behavior of various materials. You should be able to measure the behavior, है ना. हीट में मटेरियल कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है, जब आप उसके ऊपर कोई फोर्स लगाते हैं तो मटेरियल कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है. ह्यूमिडिटी से मटेरियल कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है. वाटर अप्लाई करने पे मटेरियल कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है. सो यू विल बी एबल टू मेजर द बिहेवियर ऑफ मटेरियल. व्हाट इज द सेकंड पॉइंट? Introduce experimental procedure and common measurement instruments. Okay, so if you want to measure behavior of a material, you require some instrument. So you will have to know some of the equipment and instrument which measures the behavior of a material. And what's the next point? Sorry, I just missed this one. Physical observation to complement concept learned. So this is okay. Once you study a particular course, you must be able to learn the concept and you must be able to appreciate it at the same time. Then only you can learn any subject. Okay. Then what is the next point? Exposure to a variety of established material testing procedures and technique. Okay, you must be you must be given a exposure of already established technique. साइंटिस्ट ने बहुत सारी रिसर्च करके बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स बना के रखी हुई हैं. ओके, सो आपको क्या करना है, उन टेक्निक्स को सीख लेना है जो ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड. सो दिस वाज द एम ऑफ फोर्थ पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ let's see the fifth point. What it says: different method of evaluation and inferences drawn from the observation. Means when you will carry out experiment and you will observe something while doing experiment. Okay, so you must be able to evaluate those observations. Okay, you must be able to evaluate and then you must be able to draw some conclusions. Okay, करना है, उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है, ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद उसको क्या करना है, मैथमेटिक्स लगाना है, इवेल्युएट करना है उसको, और इवेल्युएशन के बाद कोई कंक्लूजन निकालना है या उसको उसमें कुछ कमेंट करना है कि इस पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल का इस तरीके का बिहेवियर है इस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन में. Okay, so this is all is expected to learn after completing this particular course. Okay, so let's move ahead and let's talk about what exactly is your syllabus. Okay, so if you could see this particular subject had 3 modules. Okay, all the content is divided in 3 modules, and if you could observe here, okay, if you could observe here, so the module is all about let me change the color. Okay, so the first module is about if you could read here, cement, sand, concrete, steel, glass, reinforcement, lightweight concrete, asbestos, metal, paint, geotextile, acoustic material, graphene, timber, glass. This kind of material has to be dealt. What it means that this module is more about building material, है ना. एक बिल्डिंग के मटेरियल्स के बारे में है आपका फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल. ओके, इट इज मोर अबाउट बिल्डिंग मटेरियल. बिल्डिंग बनाने में जिस तरीके के मटेरियल लगते हैं उनके बारे में ज्यादा बात हो रही है फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल में. देन इफ यू कुड ऑब्जर्व द सेकेंड मॉड्यूल एंड थर्ड मॉड्यूल, दे आर मेनली टॉकिंग अबाउट मेटल्स. ओके, these two talks about mostly metal and their mechanical property. Okay, so this module 2 and 3 talks about metal and their metallic property or mechanical properties. Okay, your syllabus is designed like that. Okay, first module building material, second, third module more about matter. Okay. So if you could understand this, okay, so the kind of book or any reference document you want to use for studying this particular course. Okay, so what kind of book you could prefer. Okay, so your syllabus has listed these 7 documents or books, okay, or text. Okay, so this you could see them here, but what's important is building material and metals. So you have to study 2 things, and all these books that are listed do not have all the content in one book. You have to use more than one book. Okay, so ideally you should buy one book which should cover building material, one book that should cover metals. okay, metallic properties or mechanical properties. Okay. So the good thing is you could buy one book from building material. You can opt either from this one. Extra I have listed this one. Then this book is written by ML Gambhir and with the title Building Materials. Okay, this is for module 1, and for module 2 and 3 you can use any book which is related to strength of material or introduction to solid mechanics. That book will cover module 2 and module 3, most of the things. Okay, so you can use any book of strength of material, and okay, you can use Timoshenko, which covers a lot about the material and their properties. Okay, so this is how you can start with the subject. In this particular lecture, we are not talking about the content of lecture. Okay, the content we will start in the next lecture. Okay, so this is all for today. So thank you very much. We will meet in the next lecture.